Welcome to NASA Space App Challenge 2018. We are from Kumilla University. Our team name is Photon. This is our team. I am Jahidul Islam Rahat, team leader of Photon. Our other member is Sajida Sultana Prapti and another member is Shanjit Mondol. Our mentor is Abdullah Hilkafi. Here presenting the project, whose name is the Research Assistant Robot. We think that our team is special for this project, which is exceptional for this competition. Our problem statement is Ebola virus effect in West Africa between 2013 to 14. Thousands of people had affected by Ebola and more than 70% were died. Doctor, researcher and health workers from different countries and organizations including WHO, USA, UK, Russia and Spain, they are collecting samples for a patient to study on Ebola at the laboratory. But unfortunately, some doctor, researcher and health worker died when they collected samples for research. This incident is not accepted, especially in research field. Different kind of accident can happen when a student, teacher or chemist try to innovate new things by experimenting with dangerous things like chemical disinfection, radioactive materials and explosive substance. This kind of accident can happen for several reasons like unconscious miscombination of chemical or just trying to create new things. In order to avoid this kind of incident, we need a robotic technology. This problem can solve by this robot. Our solution is very simple. Our research assistant robot can reduce chemical accident in laboratory. This robot easily can avoid those accidents which can be happened in laboratory. It can speak both languages, Bangla and English. It can move easily in laboratory with and without help of human. It works on predetermined program. By the solution, research can remotely measuring sample, measuring pace, measuring temperature, placement in slide, inserting in test tube, mixing explosive or radioactive materials. All research output can take at software for further research. Output of this project. First, it can talk both English and Bangla language. Second, it can do chemical reaction using two test tube and one beaker. Third, by using this robot, different kinds of accident can be avoided. That's why researcher can do their work without tension. Fourth, this robot will do many work such as measuring sample, measuring pH, measuring temperature, placement in slide, inserting in test tube, organizing feedback, mixing explosive radioactive materials. Fifth, by using this robot, you can collect sample for experiment and you will find accurate result. Sixth, this robot is able to work like a human body. By controlling the robot, researcher can make it work through the whole lab and can work around the laboratory. Seventh, if unintentional mistake is done by the researcher, then it will be him about the fault. Full technical plan. The robot is built with latest technology as image processing, ARM Cortex processor and various mechanical technology. We use wireless camera to see the picture of laboratory work, maintaining the safety distance. At this stage, it can control by wireless protocol for control using user-friendly joystick. Besides this, some sensors are giving temperature, pH, temperature and time. Our R&D team is continuously working for integrating some customized software which will help to research node, parameter and data automatically and give some analysis to it. Target area. We are continuously working to help research people. Our main target group is research-oriented organization who are working on toxic research. At this point, medical research laboratory, chemical industries laboratory, explosive industries laboratory, armed force laboratory. We are focusing on helping to research people to speed up their research and help to analyze and give support their research. Feature fund for this project. First, it can save and print any experimental data like time, weight, pH, temperature, etc. Second, we want to add object detection system in this robot. Third, we want to working on hand for increasing more flexibility. Fourth, we want to improve our wireless communication system so that researcher can operate it easily. Fifth, we want to develop our robotic leg so that it can move smooth and easily. We have more features to attach this robot. If we get enough fund and opportunities, we will be able to make it a full-fledged robot.